Hello and welcome to our course Mathematics, Statistics and Data Science 2. In this video, I will give you a short introduction to R and RStudio, and I will show you how to set a working directory. First of all, you certainly have to install R and RStudio. R is the software that performs the actual instructions. It's in a way the workhouse. Without R installed on your computer, you wouldn't be able to run any commands. RStudio, on the other side, is a software that provides an interface to R. So RStudio will help you to improve your experience with R and makes you use R in a more convenient way. If you open RStudio, you can see 4 windows. The bottom left panel is the console. Here you can type your code directly to be sent to R. For example, if I enter 1 plus 2 to the console and press enter, R will immediately calculate the result. Your entered code always follows the prompt, and the output always follows a number in squared brackets. It's possible to press enter before the line of code is completed, and often R will recognize this. For example, if you were to type 1 plus, but then press enter before typing 2, R knows that 1 plus by itself doesn't make any sense, so R will prompt for you to continue the line with plus sign. At this point, you could continue the line by pressing 2 and then enter. This commonly occurs if you forget to close parentheses or brackets. If you keep pressing enter and keep seeing a plus sign rather than the regular prompt that allows you to type a new code, and if you can't figure out why, often the easiest way or the easiest option is to simply press escape, which will bring you back to the normal prompt sign and allows you to enter a new line of code. The top left panel is called the R script, and it's basically a text editor that color codes for you and sends commands easily to R. Using a separate R script is nice because you can only save the code that works, making it easy to rerun and edit in the future. Code can be sent from the R script to the console by clicking on the run icon. So, for example, if I click on run, the whole current line will be sent to R. Instead of clicking on run, I could also use the shortcut Control plus Enter. If I want to run more than one line, or if I only want to run some letters from a line, I can also highlight the text in the script and click on Run. Doing so, R will only send the highlighted text to the console. The top right panel is your workspace, and this is where you will see objects, such as datasets and variables. Clicking on the name of a dataset in your workspace will bring up a spreadsheet of the data. According to variables, I can, for example, assign values to a specific variable. For example, if I enter x and then the less sign followed by a dash, and then, for example, 3, the value 3 has been assigned to the variable x that can be seen in the top right panel as well. The bottom right serves many purposes. It's where plots will appear, where you manage your files, including importing files from your computer, where you can see your installed packages, and where the help information appears. The first step when you want to use R is to set a working directory. That's a directory in your system where R is looking for files if you want to import them, or where R saves your files. The corresponding command for setting the working directory is set wd. And the syntax should look like the following. Make sure you use no backslashes but slashes in your path, and that the capitalization and punctuation is correct and that all brackets are closed at the end. To check if you succeeded, use the following code: get wd. Now, the output should give you the path of your working directory. All right, I think with all this information, you're ready to go. I hope you found this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.